The CEO of Blackrock unintentionally gave away Ripple's IPO date live on CNBC. This IPO will turn XRP holders into millionaires, according to insiders. The 59,879 proof is here. The largest Bitcoin breach in history was recently revealed to us, and it is too significant to overlook. The financial world is in shock after Larry Fink, the CEO of Blackrock, unintentionally disclosed a crucial information regarding Ripple's impending IPO. Fink appears to have revealed the timing for Ripple's IPO during a live broadcast on CNBC. The leak claims that Ripple will go public in the first quarter of 2025, and insiders are already excited about the potential that this IPO has for both XRP and Ripple. Experts currently predict that the price of XRP might reach an astounding $59,879 per coin. The best names in finance are verifying that this is real and not just conjecture. If you own XRP, you should pay attention because this could be the chance of a lifetime. Let's go back in time and see what transpired. One of the most powerful people in the world of finance, Larry Fink, the CEO of Blackrock, mentioned Ripple's impending IPO in an interview with CNBC regarding the development of blockchain. Before swiftly realizing his error, he talked about Ripple's remarkable success and its impending IPO. Even if the clip was quickly adjusted, the harm had already been done. Here are some reasons why this disclosure is so significant. First, it is anticipated that Ripple will have a huge initial public offering, IPO, maybe one of the biggest in recent memory. As an indication of robust institutional backing, BlackRock, one of the most influential investment institutions globally, has been subtly positioning itself to assist Ripple during this shift. The value of XRP might increase by 10,000% if Ripple goes public at a $500 billion valuation, which could completely transform the cryptocurrency industry. This is similar to PayPal's explosive growth following its initial public offering, IPO, which established a standard for internet firms. In fact, PayPal demonstrated the potential for exponential growth by rising from $13 a share to over $1,000 in a few years. XRP holders may be looking at an incredible return on investment if Ripple follows this growth trend, making it one of the most interesting options in the cryptocurrency world. The figures don't end there either. It is easy to see the logic behind XRP's possible price tag of $59,879 if Ripple achieves that $500 billion valuation. The enormous potential and faith in Ripple's technology are reflected in this valuation, which is more than just a figure. Consider it. One of the strongest and most well-known blockchains in the cryptocurrency industry is that of Ripple, which makes cross-border payments quick and inexpensive. In the realm of finance, this efficiency is revolutionary. There is a lot of excitement because Ripple is a part of FedNow's real-time payment system, which is scheduled to begin in the coming days. XRP's demand might increase much further. The developments are being closely monitored by investors. XRP has been incorporated as a bridge currency into FedNow, a project being managed by the Federal Reserve to restructure the flow of funds across financial institutions. This integration is a major turning point. The demand for XRP will only increase once the Federal Reserve starts using it for real-time payments, which could result in even higher currency value. It appears that XRP and its investors have a bright future. That's not all, though. The market will undoubtedly be impacted by Ripple's IPO, which will upend the financial system in ways that have never been seen before. Currently, about 40% of XRP's total supply is held by retail investors. This is significant and unheard of in the cryptocurrency industry. Once Ripple becomes public, regular investors will have a significant impact on XRP's price, in contrast to typical stocks where institutional investors control the flow of assets. The dynamics of the market may be redefined by this change. This implies that a sizable amount of XRP's circulating supply will be controlled by retail investors upon Ripple's IPO, making them essential to raising the price. Their combined behavior will be attentively observed. The fervent group of XRP holders, known as the XRP Army, is already forecast by analysts to be a major factor in the coin's price increase. They are unparalleled in their zeal and dedication. As individual investors scramble to get in before it's too late, the price of XRP may skyrocket. This has the potential to revolutionize the Bitcoin sector as a whole. The part that Ripple plays in the larger financial ecosystem just serves to highlight how important all of this is. Ripple is establishing itself as the preferred supplier for cross-border transactions as nations all over the world transition to using digital currencies issued by central banks. Financial institutions in more than 40 countries have already adopted Ripple's technology, and its capacity to enable almost instantaneous transactions with little fees is gaining popularity every day. Ripple's participation in the FedNow system, which launches next week, may serve as the impetus for XRP's widespread acceptance. This is where the situation becomes even more fascinating. A perfect storm of demand for XRP will be created by the impending IPO and FEDNOW's integration, as RIPPLE continues to collaborate with financial institutions and central banks. This implies that when more and more organizations start using XRP for real-time payments, its value may rise dramatically. A unique scenario will arise where the value of XRP may reach previously unheard of heights due to the growing expectation for the IPO and the spike in demand for XRP in the larger financial system. Additionally, it's critical to keep in mind that Ripple has already demonstrated its value. Ripple has proven robust in the face of regulatory obstacles, including as the ongoing conflict with the SEC. The business has kept expanding, and the financial industry is using its technology more and more. Indeed, a number of experts now believe that Ripple's initial public offering, IPO, may be the cryptocurrency equivalent of the 1944 Bretton Woods moment, when a digital asset is included into the world's financial system. The possibilities are endless when significant institutions support Ripple. You may now wonder if this $59,879 price target is reasonable. Well, $59,879 isn't just feasible, it's conservative. If Ripple is valued at $500 billion and keeps gaining market share in the global payments industry, it is evident that XRP has the ability to follow a similar trajectory if you examine prior instances of successful initial public offerings, IPOs, such as PayPal or even the meteoric rise of Bitcoin. When will XRP surge? That is the question, not if it will. This is the current situation. The anticipation for Ripple's IPO file, which is anticipated to be released next week, is already evident. This is your chance if you own XRP. The window of opportunity is rapidly closing, and demand for XRP may soar after the filing is made public. The combination of FedNow integration and Ripple's IPO is probably going to revolutionize the cryptocurrency industry. The destiny of XRP may be decided in the next 24 hours, so be prepared to move quickly. The IPO of Ripple is quickly approaching, and it offers the potential for enormous profits. This is something you don't want to miss. What do you think then? Is 59,879 XRP's appropriate price target? Or is there greater space for development? If you're enthusiastic about Ripple's IPO and its potential to transform the cryptocurrency environment, please share your ideas in the comments section below and don't forget to hit the like button. Since this tale is only beginning, subscribe to receive updates on all things Ripple. It's time to prepare for the largest crypto opportunity ever.